Good morning, traders. It's Daniel Russell from youtradeFX. Well, hope you had a very profitable day yesterday. The S&P and major US markets move strongly, decisively to the upside. This is the daily chart of the S&P. Look at this green candle. After pulling back to this level, we saw buying frenzy and all markets shoots higher. I'm talking about the major indexes, the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, of course the European indexes as well, FTSE, CAC, and DAX. So we are very close to overbought market. But it seems there is a lot of cash on the sideline waiting waiting to get in and be involved with the market. So keep this in mind and try not to fight this trend and short it. Wait for some confirmation. If you're aggressive short trader, you can start building position, but very small before jumping all in. So the trend is still up. Try to ride the trend. Right now it seems a bit overbought, but as I mentioned, a lot of traders and money is waiting to jump in and ride the major trend. Other markets. Let's go some other markets and see what is happening there. What we see right now is the crude oil, WTI. Even though we saw some pullback yesterday, money was moving into riskier assets. The trend is still up. The trend is still up. I believe the test of 103 and just below 103 a bit will present a buying opportunity. It's the trend line is the moving average. There you go. This is around the level I would suggest to go long and to buy the WTI for another leg up. Of course, the stop, and if the trade doesn't work against us around 101, you risk 1 point to make 2 or 3 points higher. So look at the WTI for buying opportunity and try to ride the trend. On the other end, the gold market. Gold market has a similar pattern to the WTI. The risk was off a bit yesterday, so we got some pullback. Again, if we get a deeper pullback, I would suggest to go long and ride the trend. Try to ignore the news and look from the technical point. The trend is up. There is no sharp sell-off. There is no run into the exit. It's just like a healthy correction, and it gives you opportunity to go long once we test a specific level like the 1320. That's the price. Interesting chart I see, and I recommend right now, even today, to position yourself long, is the pound dollar. Pound dollar is a very nice bull flag pattern. We witness a very sharp move to the upside, some correction to the moving average, 13 moving average, and then some backing and filling, and right now the pound dollar sits on support. So it's a good place, it's a good spot to put some money to work here with the pound dollar and let it work for not sure about intraday, but about several days for the market to test the previous pivot high we mentioned last week as well. So the trade is still valid. We have support holding before another leg up that expected. New Zealand dollar, well, I don't see anything important here. Dollar yen. Dollar yen, from my analysis, the yen should get stronger, but it's not giving us an easy time. It just moved down and then up and then up and then down. Right now it's right at resistance, so we will have to wait and see for clear move down. Right now it's just moving sideways, so keep it on your watch list for entry trigger, and I'm going to follow it the next several days as well. Euro yen looks the same. Look at the euro yen, maybe a bit stronger, but this is the daily chart moving sideways. Not much edge beside analysis that this market should move down, which means strong yen. What else? I believe these are the major market. Markets are very volatile. Make sure to have a stop on every trade you take. Have a trading plan. Actually, there is a stock I want to mention and want you to take a look at. eBay. Everyone knows eBay. In the last week or so, we saw a sharp move to the upside from 55 to 59. Right now, I think it's a bit too risky to get right now long. Wait for a small pullback and try to read to trade and to ride another couple of points at least, maybe to see even to $60. So keep this on your watch list as well. eBay is moving nicely. It's a strong stocks. Earnings came out really good. So try to focus on this type of market as well, not only commodities and indexes and major currencies. Stocks offer, maybe we need a bit more leverage, but we get less leverage. We need more money to put to trade this. But if you have opportunity, you should take it. That's it, guys. I'm Daniel Russell from uTrade, and I will see you tomorrow.